Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix always playing the same song in Amazon Music. So if your app keeps playing the same song repeatedly, it's usually caused by shuffle and repeat settings, cache data, or app behavior with favorite and playlists. Okay, so actually guys, first we'll need to check the repeats and shuffle settings. So just open the now playing screen and make sure repeat isn't turned on for a single song, and just toggle the shuffle to mix up your playlist or library if you can see it, or if that specific song allowed it. Okay, and also you will need to clear the queue and re-add songs. So sometimes the play queue gets stuck on the same song if you're on a playlist. So for example, let me go through a playlist, this one. Okay, so just open the queue and then clear it. Okay, so you can go and delete these songs from this playlist, or remove it from the playlist and add the new songs, or re-add them. Okay, and this ensures the app pulls new songs and playlists. Okay, also guys, I really advise you to refresh or resync your library, and to do that you will need to close the app completely, okay, and reopen it. So to do that, you will need to swipe up from the bottom of your phone, swipe up the app, and then just reopen the Amazon Music app. So that way the library should refresh, and this ensures the app pulls new songs and playlists. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.